Good morning, students. Today we'll start the topic trigonometry. It's a hard topic in listen, but if you go on to study these topic and learn something more about these topics, you will find it very much easy to solve the questions based on trigonometry. So let's start with the topic trigonometry. That trigonometry, it has been made from three words: tri, gono, and metry. Tri means three, gono means sides, and metry means measurement. That means it's all about three side measurement. Either you are provided with two sides and you have to find out third side, either you will be provided with some kind of angle and you have to find out some other unknown angles or sides. It all deal about a right angle triangle. Okay, so in this trigonometry we'll learn how to find out unknown quantities with the known one. Okay, so trigonometry means triangle and especially right angle triangle. So before moving ahead, we have to learn something about it, that is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios we'll learn first to solve the question based on it. Okay, so in trigonometric ratios there are 6 trigonometric ratios. As the name suggests, ratio is given. Ratio means when we are taking the comparison of any two things, that is ratio. So trigonometric ratios, that means we will compare any two sides, then it will become a trigonometric ratio with some specific name. For example, if we take sine of some angle, like angle A we are taking here. Okay, so sine of angle A, what does it mean? Sine means you have to take the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay, now what is perpendicular in case of right angle triangle and what is hypotenuse in case of right angle triangle? Hypotenuse will always be fixed. The side opposite to 90 degree will always be hypotenuse. Okay, that you already know, but perpendicular value will be changed. For example, if we are taking that sine of angle A, that means this angle we are considering, then perpendicular will be this side, means side opposite to the acute angle for which we are finding trigonometric ratios. I'm just giving you some other example, like sine of angle C if we want to find out. Okay, then again the formula will be like the same, that is P upon H. But sine of angle C means what? Hypotenuse remains the same opposite to this right angle triangle, but perpendicular means we have to see this angle. This angle is here, angle C. So now in this case perpendicular will be this side. Okay, and when you decide what is perpendicular and what is hypotenuse, then the remaining one side will be the base, that I am representing it with a small b. Okay, so sine of A is P upon H. So here the value of P will be BC and H remains fixed, that is AC. Now if we find out cos of angle A, cos of angle A is base and hypotenuse ratio. Base we have defined, that is AB, and hypotenuse is fixed, AC. If we take tan of angle A, tan means we take the ratio of sine and cos, that will become tan. Okay, so sine of angle A, that we already know, that is P upon H, and cos of angle A, that is B upon H. So then H gets cancelled out and will left with P upon B. So this is the formula of tan of angle A. I have just explained you that how does it come, P upon B. You need not to remember these all things and you need not to do these all things while solving the question for tan of angle A. You can just move on, like tan of angle A is equal to P upon B. Okay, but for being informative and for being little more learned, that how does it come, you should know that tan means ratio of sine and cos. So here P is BC and B is AB. So BC upon AB will be tan of angle A. Okay, now there is some reciprocal functions. Reciprocal functions means what? If we talk about cosec of angle A, that is reciprocal of sine. So 1 upon sine A. 1 upon sine A means 1 upon P upon H. So that will become H upon P. Okay, so cosec is reciprocal of sine. If we talk about sec of angle A, so sec of angle A is 1 upon cos A. 1 upon cos A means reciprocal function of cos is sec. So it will become h upon B. And similarly, if we find out cot of angle A, that is reciprocal of tan function, so that will become B upon P. So reciprocal of tan function will be cot. Okay, so if you learn first three, sine, cos and tan, then automatically you can learn how to find out cosec, sec and cot. Okay, the only thing you have to remember that whenever you are considering P upon H or B upon H or P upon B while finding out these three trigonometric functions, you must know that to which side we should consider as perpendicular and which side we should consider as base. And that is the only clue, that if you are writing here sine A, that means you are finding everything with respect to A. So this angle is acute angle, and for this angle the opposite side to it will be the perpendicular. Okay, that's all for today. We'll move ahead in the next class. Thank you so much for watching.